So the first thing I'd point out is that previously,
Facebook has now reorganized that.
Basically 6 main objectives that you can see here, all the way down to sales.
Of these different objectives,
Of advertisers probably watching this. This would make sense if you're a big brand advertiser.
maybe you're trying to promote Head and Shoulders.
Or maybe you're trying to promote Tylenol.
Clean products. That is where these awareness campaigns
Might make sense.
and you're trying to make people familiar with.
You know that's your.
Something like that.
Traffic is either driving somebody to your website,
Or driving somebody to.
Messenger, to an app.
Again, 99% of people watching this.
Engagement is if you want people to literally engage.
People that are most likely. Probably not relevant for you.
Leads, we're gonna talk about this in detail.
I want to introduce the other two options. If you have an ABP and you're trying to.
Or take an action within your app.
And of course sales. An e-com campaign. So we're gonna focus on leads. And before we actually build a campaign, I want to show you what an overall campaign structure, ad sets and ads look like.
From a campaign that I have already built in the past,
So when you're on the Ads Manager screen,
which you can get to by just typing in
Facebook.com/Ads Manager.
This is basically what it looks like.
You have the campaign level. And this allows you to organize different initiatives that you might run.
That might have different objectives.
You have the ad set level. So if I clicked into here, you're going to notice now I'm at the ad set level
For this campaign.
and it's not just audiences.
What dates?
And then the third level down here you have is ads.
You'll see that it can now show me the 4 different ads that are part of this. The fundamental that are going to be available at the campaign level, and vice versa.
At the ad set level that are not available at the.
At the campaign level,
I want to just show you how we would go about building that from a brand new campaign.
so if you're following along,
All you have to do is hit the create button.
this is for lead generation, and there's different ways.
It could be driving somebody to your website. Or it can be using what's called the instant forms. Share their information within the platform, so